Hi, my love, and welcome to the Grateful Channel. Your host, Megar Niazi here. And today, as always, we're grateful and celebrating. And today, we're going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, which is celebrated by so many people, and of course, a lot of the Irish people, which Irish and their color is supposed to be a lucky day, and the color is green. So we're wearing a green color, and here at the nursery, showing you and sharing with you guys the beauty of nature and the trees. And we're going to start with the palm trees, which are my own favorite trees. Check it out. We're going to take you on a little tour of this beautiful nursery. So grateful. Check it out.
My name is Tom and I work at the Armstrong's Garden Centers here in Newport. And in a nutshell, we do have several palms here. We have like the sago palm, very slow growing, tropical, hardy down to about 39 degrees. You have pygmy date palms, which you see growing down in the Mexican area, South America, super hardy also. They're semi-tropical. We also have king palms, very clean, grow to about 20-25 feet, semi-tropical, hardy down to about 39 degrees. Great palms. And then lastly, one of my favorites is the blue palm or the butia. Very slow growing, elegant. Again, a semi-tropical palm. Would look great as a centerpiece in a yard. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And now we're going to take you guys to the indoor trees. These were the outdoor trees. Here we go to the indoors. Love you guys. Hi, my love. So here we are at the indoor section. Check it out. Amazing. Very so grateful. Happy St. Patrick's Day again, and don't forget to wear your green and hug a tree. As many trees as you can. Love you guys.